video is not sponsored. I do not say this video is sponsored or not sponsored because my honesty does not depend on the thing that if some brand is paying me to review their products or not. And I think this is very important to share this with you guys. If I am getting paid for a video, I always mention it. When I'm uploading the video, there's a way to mention it. When you are seeing a video, there will be a small line written under the video saying that this video includes paid promotion, and that's the most authentic way to do it. So why I don't say that no, this is a non-sponsored video, or you will never find in my thumbnails I'm writing non-sponsored review, because my reviews do not depend on if I'm making money out of it or not. So yes, that was something that I wanted to tell you, and now let's just get started with the video. Today I'm filming one of the most requested videos. So today I'm filming part 2 of my hair care routine. If you haven't watched part 1, then I'll leave the card up here. You can go and watch that. So a quick little rundown. What I said there is how my hair is, my hair type, what I like to do for it. So I'll repeat it here too. So I have oily scalp, I have dandruff, hair fall, and my ends are extremely dry and my hair is basically frizzy. I have been having really bad hair fall for the past 1 year. I always had a little bit of hair fall issue, but the past year I think I have lost like half of my hair that I had, and that is because I shifted to Pune, and Pune water is hard water and it's the worst. You won't believe me if I tell you how much hair I lost. Like my floor of my house would be filled with hair, and it's not even a joke. I wish I could show you guys what that was. It was horrible. And once I remember I was oiling my hair, and the amount of hair that came out, literally I was touching it and the hair was like coming out like this from the roots. It was horrible. So yes, I have been going through a lot of hair issues. So now I'll tell you what I am doing these days. So my shower routine and my post-shower hair styling or grooming routine. So starting off with my shower routine, I have been using a personalized hair care routine. So yes, I'm using a personalized shampoo, conditioner and serum. I have been using this product over a month. This is Freewill shampoo. It's formulated in USA. It has my name on it. I have used till here. Like it's almost over. It will last like what, 4 more washes. That is how much I have used this shampoo. So the shampoo is 250 ml and the MRP is 950 rupees. It says best before 6 months from manufacturing date. So now to understand how the shampoo, conditioner and serum works, let me just take you guys through the process so that it's easier for you to understand this. So they are this Indian company that personalizes your hair care kit for you, but they have this new packaging right now. They have changed it I think few days ago, so they have this new packaging which I love. So I guess now they have replaced the conditioner with the mask. So Freewill is an Indian brand that customizes your shampoo, conditioner and I guess serum too. I guess they customize the serum, I'm not really sure. So what you have to do is you have to go to their website and order it. So I'll just show you how it is done right now.
So the ordering process is really easy. You have to go to their website, the Freewill website. I'll leave the link down in the description box below. And when the page directs you to this page, this is the official website. Click on Know More and then start hair assessment. So there will be 3 sets of questions. First set will be about how your hair is, the hair type, how your scalp is, and how thin or how thick your hair is, the length of your hair. Every question will be there in part 1. So you have to answer everything with total honesty so that you can get your product right. And then in the part 2 they will ask you about what products do you use and what heating tools do you use on your hair. If you're ordering, guys, do not give any false answers, please. It will just ruin your product. Then you have to put the information about where you live, basically the state you live in, because obviously the weather and everything depends. Then you have to choose your hair goals. So what hair goals do you want? You want strength, you want shine, you want thickness, you want like anti-dandruff stuff. So all the information will be there, and you can see all these different options they have given you. Then you have to choose your color. So every color is every variant. Then you put your name on, that name will be in your bottle. And then this is your assessment basically. So these are the main ingredients or the product that will be present in high volume in your product. So this is according to what I chose for this time. And then you can choose the kit type that you want. So I obviously chose the 3-step one. And here you can see it's there's a percentage off, so you can get extra 10% off if you use my code. More on this here.
So have you guys understood how to do that? And also I have a 10% literally wrote it down in my notes because I knew I would forget that I have a discount code for you guys. So I have a discount code for you guys that will be mentioned in the description box below. So if you guys are ordering something, you will get a 10% off on your order. So now they have replaced the conditioner with the hair mask. Though the conditioner was really good, I did see a lot of comments in their social media page saying that please come up with a mask. So I think they have heard their customers, and a mask would actually work more than a conditioner on your hair. So yes, by the way, the conditioner was for 150 ml and the shampoo was for 250 ml. So you can see I've used so much of the conditioner too, like literally like that. So I never review a product until I've really used it. That's the shampoo and that's the conditioner. So as you guys saw, I chose the avocado variant. That is why it's green, and I kind of really like this packaging. It's nice, but I love the new one, and I'm sure the next time I'm ordering it, I'll get the new packaging, which I'm really excited about. So yes, and this is the serum. So this is the serum, and this is how much I've used this. Can you see? You can see I have not used that much of the serum because it's very thick and you literally need like 2 tiny drops of it. So it is very, very thick. Today I haven't used the serum at all, so my hair is like really frizzy. Talking about the shampoo, this is a very runny consistency. The perfect opposite is this conditioner. It is so thick, but the packaging is so good. You know, sometimes when the product is so thick, the pump doesn't work, but it works perfectly. It lathers up a lot. Like it really foams up so much. Now, the foamy part, the difference is I did see some other reviews of other people. They said different things about the lathering up. Some people said that it did not lather up at all. Some people said that it did. Some people said that it was okay. I think it depends on what you selected, because obviously otherwise it can't happen, right? There will be nothing different mentioned in the bottle for the ingredients. The ingredients are the same, but the ratio or the proportion of each product will be different for each hair type. That is how they customize your products. I did see a very big difference in my hair fall. I can say that there is no hair fall, keeping in mind that we anyway lose 100 strands a day. So I can say there's no hair fall after using this product, and I think it did reduce my hair fall to a certain extent. About the softness, my hair was extremely frizzy before I started using this, and even if I don't apply the serum, my hair is not that much frizzy anymore. It does work, like it is still dry, and my hair, as I said, it's extremely dry. Now about the scalp oiliness. Earlier my scalp would be oily in day 2 after I washed the hair. Now I can go up to day 4 without being oily and chipchipa. So about the dandruff, so the dandruff does go away for 2 days, which earlier did not happen at all. But I have seen that it depends. Sometimes I get dandruff very early on. Sometimes I don't till my next wash. So that is a good thing. I think it did reduce the dandruff too. The best part is whatever I have selected, I have seen results for that. So I'm really, really impressed about the shampoo and conditioner. And I love the serum. This is so nice. It tames my hair down. It gives the perfect moisture to my hair. But I think if someone chooses oily hair, like if your whole hair is oily, you won't get this consistency, because then your hair will be more oily. But for my dry hair, it works so perfect. I'll just show you. So you see how thick it is. So yeah, it works perfect for my hair and I love it. So for this serum, you can apply it on your dry hair or your damp hair. So I took this much of the serum. Can you see? So I'm just going to rub my hands and I'm going to put it on the ends. Did that how smoothly this happened, and earlier I could not even like get my hands through it. So yeah, it's instant magic. So this is how my hair looks with just the serum on. You can see how much more nourished it looks, and this is without the serum. The hair feels healthy. That is what I love the most about this thing, that my hair really feels healthy after I've done this whole routine. So now for the styling part, I only use a straightener, and I use this Philips Salon Straight Essential. I have this, it's been like 6 years that I have this thing, and it's a okayish straightener and does nothing much. So yes, I'll use this straightener to just straighten my hair. So it's on, and I don't really section my hair or anything because I just run it through randomly to look presentable and not so jungly. So I'm not buying any other straightener or anything because I want to get a Dyson. Yes, I want to get a Dyson. So I'm kind of saving up for that. So I'll show you how I straighten my hair. I don't know why I have this weird one. So I'll just spray my hair with a heat protectant spray. Then I'll take a regular comb. I normally use a tail comb, but I don't have it in here. I'll just hold my hair like this and I'll just run it through. So it's normally like this that you guys see my hair and you think I have amazing hair, which I don't. Take sections like this. I normally keep my hair like this, and this is more manageable and looks presentable. So lastly, what I'll do is I'll again apply the serum. Quickly finish this side and be right back. So yeah, this is how my hair would look like after I have done all the jazz. So honestly, my hair routine has been so much easier after I got the Freewill products. Now this, okay, so this serum is a glass bottle and rest, both of them are plastics. So yeah, my hair has been feeling more healthier, of course nicer after I've started using Freewill, and I really liked it. I was kind of skeptical to use something like that, but I have seen so much of it on Instagram that yeah, I tried it and it's pretty nice. So the whole kit comes for 1850 rupees. This is obviously paraben and sulfate free. I never use paraben or sulfate on my hair because my hair can't take it, and I've seen my hair reacting differently to a product that has paraben or sulfate. So yes, that was my hair care and styling routine. It's very simple, and I think a simple good product can change the game for you. Now I do want to mention this, that this product did 100% work for me, but if you don't give your informations right, it might not work for you. So make sure that you are giving perfectly right informations, and then I hope that if you're ordering from them, then it will be a good purchase for you. Yes, that was for the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this, and let me know what shampoos do you use and what have worked for you. I'll love to know that. So that was it for today. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.